Quick service dining often leads to excessive spending on meals, a habit that can drain financial resources. By embracing the art of home cooking, individuals not only save money but also take a significant step toward enhancing their overall health. Moreover, the allure of purchasing well-known brand products frequently results in unnecessary expenses. By choosing store brands instead, consumers can potentially save around 30% on their grocery bills, all while maintaining the quality they desire. In addition, daily coffee purchases may appear trivial at first glance, but over time, they can accumulate to more than $1,000 annually. Being mindful of such seemingly minor expenses can lead to significant savings that enrich one's financial landscape. By brewing coffee at home rather than purchasing it from cafes, individuals can save approximately $700 each year. This financial freedom can be redirected towards essential goals, such as saving for retirement or reducing debt burdens. Transitioning from traditional cable services to streaming platforms can also yield substantial savings. Opting for services like Hulu and Netflix not only expands entertainment options, but does so while being mindful of one's budget. Additionally, small in-app purchases can gradually accumulate, representing poor financial choices over time. By consciously avoiding these unnecessary expenditures, consumers can reallocate their resources toward more meaningful financial goals. The phenomenon surrounding gym memberships exhibits a predictable pattern, with a surge in enrollments at the start of the year. However, by March, many gyms face a stark drop in attendance from those new members who may not have prioritized their fitness commitments. Furthermore, the allure of extended warranties on electronics and jewelry often proves to be an unnecessary drain on finances. Frequently, these warranties involve maintenance complexities that dilute their actual value. Utilizing public libraries for borrowing books emerges as a practical and economical alternative, effectively eliminating the costs associated with purchasing new titles, particularly for avid readers who value access over ownership. In pursuit of bargains, many consumers inadvertently end up with poorly constructed garments, leading to a closet cluttered with items rarely worn. This tendency often overshadows the significance of quality over quantity in clothing choices. Investing in well-fitting clothing not only elevates daily comfort, but also curbs unnecessary spending in the long run. This intentional approach can foster significant savings that resonate throughout one's financial journey. Additionally, the culture of constant upgrades, particularly with mobile devices, undermines intelligent financial decision-making. Consumers must weigh the environmental impact and cost-effectiveness of their purchases in a thoughtful manner. Many consumers mistakenly believe that credit cards are advantageous due to their associated discounts. However, they may inadvertently lead to overwhelming debt if bills are not settled in a timely manner. Therefore, understanding this risk becomes crucial for financial health. Recent reports indicate that a significant percentage of Americans carry credit card debt that surpasses their emergency funds, often resulting in a relentless cycle of borrowing coupled with increased financial strain. This trend highlights an urgent need for financial awareness. Lastly, payments made solely as interest on credit card debt represent resources that could be better utilized for investments. Redirecting these funds holds the potential for wealth accumulation rather than perpetuating ongoing financial burdens.